Can you believe the Easter basket that this mama is giving to her babies for Easter? Look at this basket, basket number 1. Look at that. Look at this one right here. Oh my goodness. And this one for the baby. Mama, I can't believe what a wonderful Easter basket that you put together for your 3 babies. It is absolutely enough. You are enough. Your love is enough. Your love is more than anything that you could buy at the store. Please don't forget the true meaning of Easter. It's a time of hope and rebirth and grow. It's a beautiful season for all. Please don't think that you have to keep up with a certain expectation or standard, because there isn't. Please don't feel like you have to compete with others, because you don't. Please remember that there will be kids out there that will not get an Easter basket, but it's all about the meaning of Easter. Please don't feel like you have to keep up with the Joneses, because you don't. Please, for those out there bashing on the Joneses and whatever they're getting for their kids, don't do that either. Every Easter basket is going to be different for each of the family, and that's okay. Wishing you guys all a happy Easter, and remember, you are enough.